Every AT bus has a simple-to-use bike rack that allows bikers to easily incorporate a bus ride into their travel plans.
To use one, first push the rack and squeeze the handle to lower the rack. Place your bike in one of the 2 available slots for bikes. Pay special attention to the signs that tell you where to place the front wheel of your bike. If the rack is empty, stow your bike in the spot closest to the bus. Pull the hook out and over your front tire. When you exit the bus, let the driver know that you need to remove your bike from the rack. For safety reasons, no bikes are allowed inside the buses. If the rack is full, please wait for the next bus. Bikers should feel confident that they can use the bus safely and efficiently as a part of their travel plans. You can even stop by the AT Operations Center anytime during their open hours and use their practice bike rack. And that's all she spoke. Happy riding!